Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic cascading style sheets. So let's get started. In a Flexbox container, which property is used to align multiple lines of content when there is extra space in the cross-axis? The correct answer is option A, align content. In CSS Grid, what does the FR unit represent? The correct answer is option B, a fraction of the free space in the grid container. Which selector would target every third Lee element starting from the second one? The correct answer is option C, Lee, nth child, 3n plus 2. What is the correct syntax for declaring a CSS custom property, variable? The correct answer is option D, main color, number 333. Which of the following creates a new stacking context for z-index without changing the position type from static? The correct answer is option A, opacity, 0.9. When using box sizing, border box, what is included in the specified width of an element? The correct answer is option B, content, padding, and border. Which property is used to determine how an element's content should blend with the content of the element's background? The correct answer is option C, mixed blend mode. Which CSS property is used to create a specific visible area of an element, effectively cutting out parts of it? The correct answer is option D, clip path. Which media feature is used to apply styles based on the ratio of the width to the height of the viewport? The correct answer is option A, aspect ratio. Which object fit value scales the image to maintain its aspect ratio while filling the entire element box, potentially clipping the image? The correct answer is option B, cover. Which property allows you to change the direction of text to flow vertically? The correct answer is option C, writing mode. In 3D transforms, which property defines how far the object is from the user to create a sense of depth? The correct answer is option D, perspective. Which property can be used to prevent an element from being the target of mouse events? The correct answer is option A, pointer events, none. Which property allows you to apply a graphical filter, like blur or grayscale, to the area behind an element? The correct answer is option B, backdrop filter. Which CSS property provides a hint to the browser about what changes are expected for an element, allowing for performance optimizations? The correct answer is option C, will change. Which property is used to enable smooth scrolling within a container or the whole page? The correct answer is option D, scroll behavior. Which property is used to divide an element's content into a specific number of columns? The correct answer is option A, column count. What does isolate, do in CSS? The correct answer is option B. It creates a new stacking context. Which property is used to change the color of the text insertion cursor, the blinking line, in input fields? The correct answer is option C, carrot color. What is the effect of the all, unset, property declaration? The correct answer is option D. It resets all properties to their initial or inherited values, original state. Which property is used to control the anti-aliasing and smoothing of fonts in the browser? The correct answer is option A, text rendering. Which modern CSS property allows you to define the preferred aspect ratio for a box, which will be used in the calculation of auto sizes? The correct answer is option B, aspect ratio. Which property controls what the browser does when reaching the boundary of a scrolling area, e.g., preventing the parent page from scrolling? The correct answer is option C, overscroll behavior. If you apply a 180-degree y-axis rotation to an element, which property determines if the back of the element is visible? The correct answer is option D, backface visibility. Which CSS property allows the user to manually resize an element, typically used with overflow, auto? The correct answer is option A, resize. Which of the following selectors has the highest specificity? The correct answer is option B, #mainNAV. Which property is used to specify that text should be displayed as small caps? The correct answer is option C, font variant. Which property is used in conjunction with floats to wrap text around a non-rectangular shape? The correct answer is option D, shape outside. Container queries allow you to style elements based on the size of a parent container. Which property defines an element as a query container? The correct answer is option A, container type. What is the default value of the flex direction property? The correct answer is option B, row. Thank you for watching.